In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on PDF Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll be able to add text and freehand drawings to any PDF with confidence using simple tools already built into Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Give it a moment to load so all the tools are ready. If you have multiple versions installed, make sure you're in the desktop version of Adobe Acrobat that includes editing features. Some features may be limited in the free reader, but the layout and navigation are similar, so you can still follow along. Next, choose the PDF you want to write on. You can go to File and select Open, or simply drag and drop your PDF into the Acrobat window. Take a quick look through the pages to confirm you're in the right document and to plan where you want to add your notes. It helps to zoom in on the area where you'll be typing or drawing so your edits are clean and precise. Now, click on Edit PDF. You'll usually find this option in the right-hand panel or under the Tools tab. Once you activate Edit PDF, Acrobat switches into an editing workspace designed for adding and adjusting content on the page. This is the key mode you'll use for typing directly onto the PDF. Inside the Edit menu, select the Text option. It might be labeled Add Text or simply show a T icon. Click anywhere on the page to place a text box, then start typing. Use the formatting controls to adjust font, size, and color so your notes stand out and remain readable. If you're writing over a dark background, a lighter text color improves visibility. For lighter backgrounds, darker text is best. You can drag the text box to reposition it, resize it by pulling the corners, and align your text for a neat look. If your text overlaps existing content, nudge it slightly or reduce the size until it fits cleanly. You also have drawing tools you can use. Look for the Draw or Pencil option to create freehand marks, underlines, arrows, or quick sketches. Adjust the stroke thickness and color to match your purpose, thin and subtle for annotations, thicker and bold for emphasis. If you're using a stylus, you'll get smoother lines. With a mouse or trackpad, zooming in helps keep your writing steady. Don't forget the Undo button if a line doesn't look right, and keep your markings consistent across pages for a professional finish. That's it. Open Acrobat, load your PDF, use Edit PDF, add text with controlled color and size, and use the Draw tools to mark up your document clearly and effectively.